Video 2. Right. So motion in straight line. In this next problem is 17th one. Here velocity of the particle v is equal to what is that, at plus what is that, bt square. Then a and b are constants. What is the displacement or distance between 1 and 2 seconds? So a comma b are constants. Find distance between distance between 1 and 2 seconds. Right. So your velocity is equal rate of change of displacement ds by dt. Therefore ds is equal to v into dt. Right. In time intervals, what are they mentioned? 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. So therefore displacement is equal to here 1 to 2 limits. Displacement we can measure at plus bt square into dt. Right. So a into integration t 1 to 2 dt plus integration b 1 to 2 into t square into dt. Therefore a into integration of what is that, x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So therefore t power what is that, 1 t square by 2, limits are 1 to 2, plus b into t cube by 3, limits are 1 to 2. Therefore a by 2 into 2 square minus of 1 plus b by 3 into 2 cube minus of 1. Therefore a by 2 into 4 minus 1 3 plus b by 3 into 2 2 j 4 4 2 j 8 8 minus 1 7. Okay. So therefore 3 by 2a plus 7 by 3b. This is answer. The acceleration of a particle is increasing linearly with time. So acceleration is given, a is equal to b into t. The particle starts from origin, okay, with a initial velocity. Initial velocity, it is equal to v naught. Initial velocity is v naught. The distance traveled. Question. Acceleration is nothing but what is it? Rate of change of velocity, dv by dt, that is equal to b into t. Okay. So dv is equal to b into t into what is it? dt. Then here displacement value we can measure. First we can find velocity. Integration apply on both sides. Therefore v is equal b into integration t dt. Therefore v is equal b into t square by 2 plus c, integration constant. Therefore v is equal to b by 2 into t square plus c. Right. At time t is equal to 0 seconds, velocity, initial velocity v is equal to what is that? v naught. Right. So therefore v naught is equal to okay, initial velocity u, it is equal to v naught. U is nothing but here v it is equal to v naught. Therefore v naught is equal to c. This value substitute in them. Therefore v naught is equal to b by 2 into t square plus what is it? V is equal to v naught. Okay. Instead of c I am substituting this v naught. So this is final equation. And next velocity is equal ds divided by dt, therefore b by 2 into t square plus v naught. ds is equal to b by 2 into t square dt plus v naught into dt, and apply integration. Then integration on both sides. When we are applying integration of ds is equal b by 2 into t square into dt plus integration of v naught into dt. So s is equal to integration of ds is s b by 2 t cube by 3 plus v naught into t. Therefore s is equal to b by 6 into t cube. This is b by 6 into t cube plus v naught into t. Right. Next problem. Particle is moves along a straight line. The displacement is given. S is equal to t cube minus of 6t square plus 3t plus 4 meters. What is the velocity when the acceleration is 0? What is the velocity value when the acceleration is 0? Velocity is nothing but rate of change of displacement. Therefore d by dt of t cube minus of 6t square plus 3t plus 4. So derivative of x power n formula is n into x power n minus 1. Okay, you can apply same formula to this expression. Therefore 3 into t square minus 12 into t plus 3. So this is velocity. Next, acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity. So d by dt of this 3t square minus of 12t plus 3. So 6 2 ja, what is that? 3 2 ja 6t minus 12. Acceleration is 0. So if acceleration is 0 means 0 is equal 6t minus of 12. 6t is equal to 12. 6 1 ja 6 2 ja, t value 2 seconds. This value is directly substituting expression. V is equal to 3 into 2 square minus of 12 2 plus 3. So 3 into 4 minus of 24 plus 3. 12 minus of 24 minus of 24 plus 3. 15 minus of 24. Okay, minus of 9 meter per second. Third, next one, a car is, what is that, moving in a straight line. Okay, so we need velocities at two positions. Right, velocity is, what is that here? First point 4.1 meter per second. Next, second point, achieving the velocity v2 is equal 6.9 meter per second. Duration is 5 seconds. Find the average acceleration. Find average acceleration. Average acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity by change in time. Here 0, this is t1, this is t2, 5 seconds. Then t2 minus of t1, right? Here 6.9 minus of 4.1 divided by 5 minus of, what is that, 0. Acceleration is equal to 6.9 minus of 4.1, that is 2.8 divided by 5. Here 28 divided by 50, 25s, then 14s, right? 14 by 25, 25, 14, 0.5 125. Here again 15, 6 0. What is it? 56 meter per second square. Hold on.